Hello everyone and welcome to my art and cooking channel. I'm Cynthia Maynard. Thank you for joining me on this day and I hope you're having a great day. I should say great day, not good day. Every day is a great day that we wake up, right? Today I was feeling a little bit doodly, so I was getting out this handy dandy pen that I've talked about before from Jet Pens. It's a Zebra brand. They call it disposable, but it lasts a long time and it's only like $2, but it has this lovely brush tip on it and this ink that for the most part will not smear once dry unless you're super aggressive about your water media, but overall I've not had much of a problem at all. So it is a joy to draw with though, and I just really like it. It's comfortable to hold, and so I stock up on them whenever I get an order from Jet Pens. And I don't know if I have my Jet Pen haul up or not yet. It's either coming already posted or will come soon after this video. But anyhow, just drew kind of a rectangle box and I was sort of drawing on the inside of it there. And then I've got my Prismacolor colored pencils. Of course, you could use whatever you have. Prismacolor are the ones that I've had, not the longest. I had another brand growing up was my first art supply, and I still have them. I love them. They're like little antiques. But this was, I've had these Prismacolors for years, and I bought the 48 set, and I just recently got some extra sort of, it's nice you can buy them open stock and kind of fill out your sets with ones that you'll use. And it's always a great option for art supplies. So I'm going in with the leaves here with some different colored greens. I think that was like an olivey green, and then I think this one's just dark green. I can't remember for certain, but and you can see little dots at the bottom there. I sort of put the colors I've used down there just so I can kind of see the color combos. Recently I've been kind of into those with just kind of seeing how much of a variety I do or don't do. I've got my colorless blender there, which I love, and I'm using, what am I drawing on? I think it's just mixed media paper from Canson, if I remember correctly. I don't prefer Canson mixed media paper with a lot of wet media. I don't know, but it's nice for, it's smoother and nicer for color pencils. I do like Canson's watercolor paper though. I use a lot of that, and especially if you're doing digital work and things like that, where you don't need to like hang it up and for 100 years kind of idea. But anyway, going in and drawing a frame here, and just filling that out. If you do want to take a moment to go ahead and hit like and subscribe, that would be great. Also sharing this video, if you hit the little share button, it takes you to your Pinterest and all sorts of places. That really tells YouTube to, hey, promote this video, and that helps out artists like me whenever you interact with a video. Because lately YouTube just has not been pushing out. It's funny, there's no like pattern you can get a hold of. I don't know what it is. I don't know if they're constantly changing their algorithm, but it's like as soon as you think you've got the magic formula, you don't. They kind of want you to do all these latest antics, and I'm just not that way. I just want to make art and cook some food. So anyways, share it with other people. So if you could, that would be really helpful, and it's a pretty painless task to, hit the button and share. So I would appreciate that. I also have links below. Some are affiliate links and links to my blog and Etsy shop where you can purchase things, digital downloads and whatnot. And that would be great to use in your own art. I'm going in here with a Tonic Studios shimmer pen. They come in like a copper, a gold, and then a clear, and I really like them. Plus, when they run out, you can wash them out really well and use it as a paintbrush. So it's kind of a win-win. Anyway, quick little doodle there with just a few supplies. That's all you need. Guys, I hope you get into your supplies and use them today. I hope you have a blessed day.